Hey everyone, I want to take some time to talk to you a little bit about an upcoming event and an upcoming video. So, Hermann Tannery and I, we have collaborated together to create the 2025 Hermann Oak Tannery Tour video. In this video, you're going to learn a little bit about their tanning process, and then visually you will see what goes on at the tannery each and every day. Now, this video will go live Thursday, February 20th, 2025. If you are in attendance at the Southwest Leather Crafters Trade Show in Prescott, Arizona, which is hosted by the Leather Crafters Journal magazine, you can attend the welcome event that Thursday evening. There is going to be a lot of leather workers, leather artists, and also local leather businesses all gathered around and just hanging out. At that event, we are going to premiere this Hermann Oak Tannery Tour video. And I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And after that premiere, it will be live on YouTube for you all to enjoy and watch. So with that being said, I want to take some time and I want to just show you an upcoming preview of the Hermann Oak Tannery Tour. Enjoy.